Hi there, I'm Vicki Johnston and I help Utah homeowners avoid foreclosure. If you or someone that you know is going through this, I want you to know that there are options, one of which is a short sale. So let me break it down for you. A short sale is a process where your lender allows you to sell your home for less than what you owe on your mortgage and other outstanding fees associated with selling your property, like a second mortgage, HOA lien, IRS lien, property tax, commissions, late fees, and so on. It's a way to avoid foreclosure, reduce the impact on your credit, and regain control of your financial situation. This is a much better solution than doing nothing and letting your home get foreclosed on and forced out of it. A short sale has less of an impact on your credit than a foreclosure would be. Your credit is affected by the missed mortgage payments rather than the actual short sale itself. A short sale is not recorded on your credit. A foreclosure is. So the quicker it's resolved, the better it is for you in the long term. Think about your future. Letting your home go to foreclosure will affect getting any type of loan over the next 7 to 10 years. It can affect applying for rental accommodation and sometimes employment. Having a house to stay in, a car, and a job are the basic necessities of life, and they can be heavily affected by a foreclosure. Doing a short sale or selling your property before a foreclosure auction date is a much better option for your future. As a realtor that specializes in foreclosures, my job is to make the process smooth and as stress-free as possible. I can help you stop the foreclosure. There are not a lot of realtors that have this niche of specializing in foreclosures and short sales in Utah. This is a unique process and you want to get it right. We'll review your situation, discuss your financial hardship, and we will pull title to identify the claims or liens against your property so that we have a full picture and determine if a short sale is the right solution. We'll also guide you in gathering the necessary documentation to present to your lender in order to seek a short sale approval. It's things like your income, expenses, application forms, and a hardship letter. Once those documents are submitted and we have your lender's approval to proceed, your home will be listed and marketed as a short sale. This is different from traditional selling. Your home will be sold as is. The lender will not do any repairs. The price of your home will reflect the as-is condition. The price is typically determined by an appraiser or a BPO, which is a broker price opinion. It's important that we have a good assessment of the repairs and what they might reasonably cost to complete those repairs. I'm sure that you've been bombarded by investors that will buy your property quickly or some type of subject to purchase. If they are legitimate investors, then they will have the opportunity to put their best offer forward and they'll have no issues working with a realtor. Everything has to be legal and ethically right. You don't want to get scammed into something that you don't fully understand, which could make the situation worse. Short sales are a complex process and should be handled by professionals that understand real estate contracts and can explain offers and contract terms. Fraud is rampant during times when sellers are in distress. They take advantage of homeowners in their weakest financial state. Most investors are totally fine, but some are not. It's the very reason why lenders hire an experienced and licensed realtor during a short sale to manage the process. You need trustworthy professionals on your side. When an offer comes in, I'll handle the negotiations and send the offer to your lender. This is one of the most critical parts of the process, and having an experienced realtor in short sales on your side can make all the difference. I'll work hard to ensure the terms are in your favor and to get the lender to approve the sale. It's important to note that approval or acceptance of the offer can take weeks or even months because you may need to have it approved by several people, the lender, trustee, private investor, underwriter, and so forth. I will be overseeing and pushing through your file through the entire time. Once we have lender approval, I'll oversee the closing process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Purchase contracts may have a closing date of 60 days after an offer is accepted or executed, but this date could be moved sooner or later. I'll communicate with the buyer and the lender and the title company to make sure all of those details are taken care of so you can move forward without added stress or unnecessary complications. If you need help relocating, some loans may include a relocation assistance package to cover moving expenses and help with your transition to a new home. The amount of assistance, if offered, varies based on your loan type, the short sale terms, how much loss the bank is taking if the home is owner occupied, and possibly some other factors. If this option is available, we will pursue this assistance for you. Relocation assistance is typically dispersed after the property has been fully funded by the buyer and the sale has been recorded with the county. So keep in mind that this acts more like a reimbursement, as you may need to cover some relocation costs up front. Plan to stay in your home, but ensure that you are fully moved out the day or so before closing. The benefits of a short sale instead of foreclosing: there is debt forgiveness, so your loan will be settled and you will not owe anything after the sale, even though the bank took a loss. We are looking for specific wording in the contract to waive the right to any deficiencies. You'll be avoiding scams and have the protection of licensed professionals. Your credit can be recovered much quicker than a foreclosure, which is usually 7 to 10 years. You'll be able to purchase a home much sooner than a foreclosure. There will not be a public record of the short sale on your credit. The only thing that shows is missed mortgage payments. You may also have the possibility of the relocation assistance, and you maintain control throughout the process. If you're in financial hardship and facing foreclosure, or struggling to pay your next mortgage payment and wondering if a short sale is right for you, I want to help you. I care. There are way too many people going through foreclosure, and I see people hurting. These are tough times, and know that you are not alone. My mission is to help as many people as I can get out of the downward spiral so that you can pick up your life again. I'm here to answer your questions, provide honest advice, and guide you towards the best solution for your situation. If you know you have equity in your home, but you're in a tough financial stage and can't keep the mortgage payments, we can discuss those options too. Please reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help you take the next steps. The quicker you seek help, the more you have options available to you. I know some people want to bury their head in the sand and pretend like nothing is happening, but time is ticking and there is something seriously happening, and you can take control by taking the steps to stop it. Call me now or complete the short consultation form and I'll reach out to you.